Angela. Yeah. When it comes to call time, you're always early. Yeah.
Palagi po ako dapat maaga.
Yeah, pero yun nga, nakakatuwa kasi na kahit viral ka, kahit sikat na sikat kayo ngayon, even the Drake Palma series mo, Drake Palma series mo, ay talaga naman dinudumog na pinapanood, di ba? Malapit na rin sa Free TV, di ba? O ang bilis, di ba? Yun nga, still, ang nakakatuwa sa'yo, kitang-kita na hindi ka nag-change. Actually, yung may mga changes but for the better, di ba?
Yes,
hindi lumalaki daw yung ulo mo. Yeah, including Angela also. So, anong masasabi niyo doon sa mga, kasi yung iba pag sumikat na, ang dami mong negative na naririnig, di ba? May mga iba, parang hindi na-appreciate na sinasabi na nawawala yung privacy nila, they need to rest, kailangan ng pahinga, rest day, di ba? Pero kayo, never daw kayo nagreklamo.
Yes po. Ako naman po parang thankful pa po ako na gano'n. Hindi po talaga ako magreklamo kahit ano mangyari. Kahit everyday pa yung ganap. Palagi lang po ako nagpapasalamat.
Yeah.
Ako naman po, grateful din po ako na I'm very grateful that I'm busy with the things that I love in life. Kasi minsan lang po dumating yung mga ganitong chances and yung opportunity na ganito, hindi na po talaga dapat pakawalan. I'm just very grateful.
Yeah, okay, para sa majority or lahat kayo, no? Kasi yun nga, speaking of privacy, yung rest, yung iba naningin gano'n, sunod-sunod yung mga ganap nyo, sunod-sunod yung mga fan meet, no? Gano'n kayo ka-excited, lalo na ngayon, Araneta Coliseum na from New Frontier at saka yung mga malls, di ba? Pupunuin nyo na this time ang Araneta Coliseum.
Ethan, would answer?
Well, syempre po, lahat po kami sobrang saya. Especially now, it's a bigger family, the whole Viva Arcada family. Viva One yung family po. Sobrang saya po namin kasi syempre, ito na yan, magsasama-sama na lahat ng series. And maraming salamat po kasi kung dahil wala po sa fans, hindi po kami dating sa ganito. Dahil NFT lang po ang marap namin ngayon nasa Sparta Red at Coliseum. So, maraming po kami hinahandang sorpresa para sa inyo and for sure mag-enjoy po.
Ang bongga, di ba, Astin? Oo, ang bongga, lahat kayo, ang bongga even Viva One, di ba? So, anong paghahanda? Anong may mga surprises ba kayo for us? Yan, anong aabangan namin, Astin?
Ayun po, bago po ako sumagot, gusto ko lang pong mag-hello po sa inyo lahat. Sa mga press po, and sa mga supporters po namin lahat na pumunta dito. Thank you so much. And hello po, direct po, basta hello po. Yes, ayun po, marami po kayong dapat abangan. Isa po doon, sasabi ako isa, may mga prod po na all girls. Yes,
magsasama-sama kayo.
Yes, kaya sobrang exciting po kasi, di ba po sa Amutianang session, sobrang konti lang po namin girls. Pero ngayon, kasama po namin yung Univercada girls, kaya sobrang happy. And sila Aubrey, sila Nicole, naka-work ko na din po sila before, kaya sobrang happy po talaga po. And I'm excited to work with Haya. Super pretty Haya.
Ang bongga. Pero, sandali, anong aabangan sa inyo ni Andres? Siyempre, yun ang gusto mo namin.
Surprise!
Pero definitely may number kayo.
Opo.
Oo. Asan daw si Andres? Ba't wala siya dito?
Busy po.
Busy? Hindi na sinabi sa'yo. Bakit? Hindi kayo magka-text? Dapat alamin mo later. Yan. Pero, yan, congratulations. We're all excited for the Viva One, Viva Arcada sa Araneta.
Thank you so much po.
Yeah, good luck.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Sir Julalin. Alright, let's proceed with Bandera, Irvin Santiago.
Hello. Wait lang ah. Hello guys. First question ko, kung sino yung gustong sumagot. Paano yung sisiguruhin na mag-enjoy, na matutuwa at uuwing masayang-masaya yung mga fans kapag nanood sila ng Ultimate FanCon and Grand Concert ninyo? Si Ashtin muna. Kasi siya
Sabi niyo po, sino gusto mo?
Sige, Ashtin.
Kami po, make sure po talaga namin, na ibibigay po talaga namin yung best namin. Lahat ng mga, kung ano man yung gagawin namin, mapaspin man yan, kung sino man yung kakanta, kung sino man yung sasayaw. Make sure po namin na ibibigay po namin yung best namin at i-enjoy po namin yun para kung ano man yung nararamdaman namin sa loob namin, enjoyment, yung sayang nararamdaman namin, make sure po namin na mapapasa po namin yun sa mga manonood. And syempre gagawin po namin kung ano po rin yung ina-expect at yung mga gusto po nila.
So, make sure nyo nakikiligin talaga yung mga.
Yes.
Sino pa yung gusto sumagot?
Naman po, yung make sure namin na may enjoy nila sa pag-alis po nila sa Araneta. Because I think first time nilang makikita, mapapanood na magsama-sama yung bawat cast ng each series po sa Viva One. And I think nagkakaroon din sila ng chance to see us perform live. Kasi hindi aware lahat na some of us are singers, dancers, iba-ibang talent din po, not just acting. So I think yun. Ayun, I think, I feel like hindi lang sila yung ma-excite or matutuwa. Dahil kasi pati kami, we're very excited with the production that we'll be doing. Kasi yun nga, halo-halo po kami. So it's going to be an experience for all of us. At unang makakapanood, of course, our fans. So we're very, very excited for everyone.
Si Mark.
Siguro ang pinaka-feeling ko makukuha nila from the concert. Nalaman ko lang to recently. May papandesal si Jairo sa Ringoy.
Wow!
Yeah. Medyo ready na siya. Mag-magic mind siya kasama ni Lance.
How about you, Marco? Kasi napansin namin talagang parang bortang-bortang.
Kailangan.
Meron.
Diba? Kailangan.
Meron din ba?
Magic mic? Baka hindi imposible. Hindi ko po alam. Meron po kaming performance ng voice. Pero, good na lang. Anyways.
Sino pa po?
Ano ba? I think it's gonna be a big treat for everyone kasi nung nalaman ko about the concert, it's kind of like the Marvel universe. Alam mo yung Spider-Man na all the different Spider-Mans come together. Parang ganun. So everyone gets to see all their favorite characters in one big show. Siyempre, I'm excited for GAZ kasi it's our first time performing as a group dun sa Araneta. And so I'm excited kami kasi we have something very special for you guys. And so, my special group will be coming for the fans. At sana magustuhan niyo.
Meron pa po. Si Lurk. Si Hyacinth. Parang may pasabog na mala Blackpink or mga K-pop.
I don't know, they said it all, but the only thing coming up in my head is that, of course, as much as we can, we'll display our most truest authenticity, because at the end of the day, that's what our fans love. They love us for who we are, so I know we can give our all, but we don't have to try too hard. Does that make sense? Of course, there's effort.
Thank you guys. Salamat.
Thank you so much. Let's call in from tonight, Ian Fariñas.
Hi, good afternoon, boys and girls. Boys and girls. Andito si Direk, no? Direk Paul.
Yes, paano po si Direk sa Tech Pool?
Oh, isa lang naman ang tanong ko kay Direk. Baka pwedeng bigyan ng mic si Direk. Direk, sa dami ng mga batang ito, at syempre lahat sila are aiming for a spot dun sa show. Paano po yung distribution ng numbers, yung exposure, in terms of exposure, how will you make sure that they will have equal exposure sa concert?
Yes, so as much as we can, we'd like to do it sana isang buong araw. Para lahat sila may performance and may show. But unfortunately, we can only do as much. Siguro mga enough na yun, 4 na oras, 3 oras siguro, production number, para masaya yung lahat ng fans. Of course, each and every one will be representing the series that they are starting in. So, kagaya ka ng sabi nila, merong mga girls prod yun, merong mga boys prod. Hopefully, may mga duets, inaasahan sila, and of course, mga group performances. But we're very aware of the timing, kasi sa sobrang dami nila, kailangan mapagkasya namin siya doon sa oras na binibigay ng Aranesa. So, equal billing siguro for everyone. And at the same time, I don't wanna promise a lot, but marami kaming pasabog na performances na gagawin.
Thank you, Direk.
Thank you po.
Sobrang nakakatawa po talaga ng piso. Sobrang dream come po talaga.
So, kung kayo yung masusunod, ano yung mga gusto nyo kantahin for yourself?
Kasi naalala ko lang nung, kasi before, nung nag-practice kami ni Obi para sa NFT, sabi namin, sayo kami, girls, ganyan. Tapos nag-play sa Spotify yung joke siya.
Yes, Pussycat Dolls.
Ay, pwede namin, hindi pwede isa siya. Ikaw?
G.
Ayun din, looking forward sa all-girls prod. And I think, ano rin, gusto ko din yung magkaroon kami ng chance to sing. Sing and dance, kaming girls. Yeah. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung specific song, but yeah, I hope na magawa namin ng mga.
Ako, I'm just excited kasi the first time I performed in Araneta was for Intac and our director was Paul. And ngayon, the next that I'm ngayon hindi na siya parang guest lang.
Nag-full circle.
Then, so, so sobrang...
Full circle na.
Yes, and this means a lot kasi namiss ko si Direk and I'm very, very excited to do this kasi ito yung expertise niya, concerts. I mean, Sarah G and everything. So, sobrang idol namin to si Direk pagdating sa gantong klaseng production. So, abangan niyo na lang po.
And Robin, what can we expect from you? Another dance number, hot dance number na naman ba?
Abangan na lang po natin.
Yes.
Pero dance po siguro.
Good luck. Best of luck sa lahat. See you around. Alright, thank you so much, Sir Erwin. Now, let's proceed with Pulp Magazine, AC Castillo.
Hello po, good afternoon. First of all, congratulations po sa inyong upcoming grand concert. Yay! First of all, ano po, nag-start na po ba kayo mag-prepare para sa grand concert? Anyone can answer.
As GAT po, yes, we have a lot of stuff coming. There's definitely a big surprise for that event. We're super excited for the community performance namin kasi may prepare kami na yan. So, sana magustuhan nyo. And we're extending our sessions. We're doing every day na we're going for that. We're super excited.
Since na-mention mo po na marami kayong pine-prepare and this would be your first performance as a group, ano kaya yung kaabang-abang na dapat i-anticipate talaga ng fans or ng mga manonood sa araw na to? Like, may pa-perform ba kayong kakaiba? Like, for example, own singer?
Yes po. Pe-perform po namin yung I think yung debut single po namin.
Sana po umabot. Sana.
And then with everyone po naman, yung mga prod po, inaayos ko po yung mga prods namin. Para equal din po yung prods namin lahat. So we're looking forward to, mag-rehearse na kami all together. Siguro chaotic yun, pero masaya.
So, Bradley ko kasi ito pag nagtatanong sa mga press ko na, anyone can answer naman. If i-describe nyo yung Viva Arcada Grand Concert into one word, what would it be and why?
Ross, do you want to answer?
Put it into one word. It's really hard. There's so much happening in that concert. I think we'll just keep it simple. Grand. It's in the title. Grand family, grand convention. grand concert. Grand is in the name, grand is what we can expect. So, expect.
Alright, somebody from Univergada.
I think, magulo. Pwede ko pa sabihin yun. I think it's magulo talaga. Pero not in a way na sasakit ulo nyo. Pero, masaya kasi kami siguro pagka nandun na sa stage. So kung meron pa kaming magawa na nagkukurutan or biglang, alam mo yun, feeling ko maraming mga behind the scenes dapat, pero makikita nyo on stage. So that is something I guess you all have to see. So ayun, magulo yung word ko.
Angela Moji, want to answer?
It's going to be amazing and full of fun. Wala, hindi ko ma-one word kasi it's ang dami namin. So, yeah, like what she said, it's gonna be magulo, pero in a good way.
Siguro yung one word ko, magiging unforgettable siya. Since first time namin itong gagawin, na magkakasama kami na gagawin namin yung bagay na gusto namin maliit ginagawa. And ayun, makasama pa namin yung mga supporters namin, yung family namin, and of course, sa Araneta pa. Kaya sobrang thankful talaga.
Ayun. Last thing na-mention kasi sa press release na merong upcoming show ang Viva. Would you give us any idea kung ano ba yung mga surprise about that upcoming show? Or kung isa din ba yun sa mga abangan sa Grand Concert?
Siguro mas maganda doon na lang nila malalaman kasi sasabi na namin, hindi na siya surprise.
Diba? Oo nga naman. So, ayun lang naman. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Alright, now let's have a TikTok content creator, Jaiko TV, Jaiko Manangan.
Hello everyone! Congratulations! This is it, Araneta na. Ayan, my first question, anyone who can answer naman, no? Since this is a concert, hands-on din ba kayo sa pagpili ng mga prod nyo or set list dito sa concert nyo? Or may mga request ba kayo na concept na gusto nyo gawin? Tapos pinitch niyo kayo? Anyone who can answer?
Yes, Michael Key?
Ano po, I think our team has been doing a really great job, especially since we had our 2 days of Nation, which OST recently. With those types of products, they've been doing really good at giving us numbers then, but then they also give us creative freedom then as well. And so we like to collaborate with the team, and so we're being as hands-on as we can as possible. We're not there, we have to, give the fans what we mentioned that Viva knows exactly what the fans want. Kaya nandito kami lahat kasi they gave me shows to choose.
Yes, Aubrey.
Siguro share ko for now, performances namin would be the OSTs ng bawat series. So, mapapakinggan nyo kami, entahin nyo live or with the artist or the singer themselves. So, yeah.
So we're looking forward to that. Ayan, ito naman, sino yung mga influencers nyo sa pagpa-perform? Like, sino yung mga idol nyo? Ashton, go.
Yes. Gusto mo sabay-sabay kami?
Go!
1, 2, 3, go! Sarah G! Yeah, syempre yun po talaga kasi bukod sa napakagaling na performer, napaka-humble po talaga ng tao. And sa tingin ko, ganun talaga yung mga dapat hinahanap.
Have you met her already?
Hindi pa po. Pero nag-perform po kami before sa NFL para sa isang, yun sa cosmetic na din po. And nakapag-free show po kami doon. Pero hindi ko po talaga siya nakikita. Sana sila.
Sa mga boys, sino yung mga nilook up niya singers?
Sarah G din po.
Ako po si David.
I have to say, GAT.
Which by the way, ang ganda ng blending niyo sa Rainbow.
Thank you so much, bro.
So my last question naman kay Hyacinth. We heard you singing last night sa episode 1. Disney voice, no? Parang wow. Are we gonna expect like ganong mga pang Disney na performance sa concert?
To be honest, I'm not so sure. But that would be very fun. I would love that. Thank you so much for the
Yeah, it was a good, grabe. Diba lahat tayo? Ang linis. Yan. Congratulations guys and looking forward to your concert.
Thank you so much. Let's call in another TikTok content creator, Ian Lee Estelia.
Hi, congratulations everyone sa upcoming grand concert. Yung question ko would be, lahat kayo mag-showcase sa mga talents nyo dito. Anyone can answer. Pero ano yung pinaka talent na i-show nyo siguro na pinaka-excited kayo about? Kasi we all know na may mga kumakanta sa inyo, may sumasayaw. Meron ba sa inyong lumabas sa comfort zone nyo? Or nabanggit na ba sa inyo kung yung mga pwede nyong gawin na parang medyo challenging para sa inyo? Anyone can answer?
I think it's time for me to show my shower skills to everyone. I think it's time to show kung gaano kalambot yung katawan ko.
Kasama ba lahat ng boys dun sa performance na yun?
Dapat lang po. Dapat lang. Kasi hindi ko to gagawin kapag hindi kasama sila.
How about the others? Parang something na you are looking forward to. If may chance kayo na pumili na performance. Katulad sa'yo, ayos yun, diba? You would like to sing katulad mo sa first episode last night.
Yeah, I mean, definitely I'm excited to sing. I don't do it as often as I used to. So I'm just looking forward to that. Looking forward to performing with everyone there. I don't know if they're gonna make me dance, but we're gonna see. I'm not very much of a dancer kasi.
Yeah. Sige, second question ko would be, meron pa kaming pwedeng makuha kahit konting teaser from you guys ngayon.
Teaser?
Hindi, actually, ganun din.